Hey everyone, Gilhoy Gray Man Prepping. Alright, so first off, some of you are going to notice that today there are 2 releases of exercising. Yesterday's, which I uploaded, and YouTube said, one thing, I hit the publish button on it and it said published. It didn't publish for some stupid reason. And I noticed that this morning when I was getting ready to set the live stream for tonight for Tactical Tuesday, it had gone back and it was waiting for the final publish on it. So I don't know what the heck's going on with YouTube. Anyways, so that went out and this morning, and when I get done doing this one, I'll edit this and get it the time lapse done on it and get it uploaded as well. But tonight is Tactical Tuesday. Wait to the end and I'll cover what's going on for that. Survival Saturday, Midnight Ride. We'll cover all the topics for this week coming up here, and some other information for you as well after I do the exercising. All right, well, let's get at it. You know what? Hang on, you guys. I'm going to try reversing stuff. I'm going to do the gazelle first, and then come back and do the weight bench. Okay, so I did 45 minutes on the Gazelle, 315 calories. Got up to 20 sit-ups today. So, all right, so your prep for today. Your prep for today, I'm tying it in with tonight's Tactical Tuesday live stream. Bathroom supplies. Do you have enough bathroom supplies to last more than just a month or two? All right, so if you want to learn more about that, tonight's live stream on Tactical Tuesday, we're going to be going into all the different supplies you need in your bathroom. That's a lot more than you'll think. All right, Thursday night is the Midnight Ride, open topic discussion on preparedness and situation of the world and whatever you guys want to talk about. Friday, I forgot what Friday is. Camp Patton Family Compound. I'll bring that up tonight at the end of tonight's live stream, what the rest of the live stream topics are going on out for the next week. However, Saturday, I do know Saturday on Survival Saturday, we have Bill Nash of Nash Nurseries coming in. Talk about fruit trees, nut trees, you know, zones they're good for and everything else. It's going to be really informative. Going to talk about which trees need to have a secondary pollinator tree, which ones are self-pollinating, and so we'll be covering that. And for preppers, that is probably another one of these failure points that most preppers are failing at. They're not planting fruit trees. All right, and you really need to have some have food that's growing on your property. And fruit trees is one of those things that you can take care of fairly easy, because the way prices are going in the stores for food and everything else, you really want to get prepped up for alternate food sources.